And this role will pay $30 to up to $39 per hour. And this is a work from home role. However, there is optional travel for company events. And they're looking for someone to handle the following responsibilities: operational and financial management, process optimization, customer service excellence, client success, team leadership, including providing day-to-day supervision to help your team meet department or organizational goals, conducting regular one-on-ones with team members, offering guidance and support to help them overcome challenges and achieve their objectives, as well as assist managers by providing input for performance evaluations, resource allocation, and workload management. In terms of required skills and experience, they're looking for someone with 3+ years of experience as a contact center or customer service agent. So all of the seasoned contact center and customer service agents, feel free to apply for this role. Also, they're looking for that experience to include 1+ years of experience in a supervisory, team lead, or mentoring/coaching position. And that's everything. So if you have interest in getting support in landing your dream remote work position, we'd be happy to help you. Our link is in the bio.